Traveling to the EU? Major Schengen visa and border rule changes are rolling out. In this video, we talk about the recent changes to the Schengen visa process.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
If you're planning a trip to Europe, the way Schengen visas are issued and how borders are managed is changing fast. The EU is modernizing short-stay visa rules for visitors who want to travel within the Schengen area for up to 90 days in any 180-day period, with a strong focus on digitalization, security, and smoother travel. Several EU countries have already started rolling out electronic visa systems to simplify applications. The European Commission has confirmed that a fully digital Schengen visa will replace the traditional passport sticker by 2028. Countries such as France and Spain are already testing digital biometric enrollment, aiming to cut waiting times and reduce in-person appointments. Germany, meanwhile, has removed its informal appeal system for rejected visa applications. If your Schengen visa is refused there, appeals now follow a formal legal process, making accuracy at the application stage more important than ever. Some travelers may benefit from longer validity multiple entry visas, especially business travelers and frequent visitors. Under new bilateral agreements signed in 2024 and 2025, nationals from countries such as India, Indonesia, and several Gulf states can now qualify for visas valid for up to 5 years, provided they have a strong travel history. The aim is to encourage tourism and business travel while keeping border checks strict. Visa-free travel rules are also evolving. In 2025, the EU approved changes that make it easier to suspend visa-free access for countries facing sudden migration pressures or security concerns. For travelers, this means visa-free access is no longer guaranteed indefinitely. While the vast majority of travelers will not be affected, the EU can now act within weeks if problems arise, protecting the Schengen system while maintaining fair travel access. Currently, around 1.4 billion people worldwide enjoy visa-free or simplified entry to the Schengen area. Over the next 2 years, travelers will notice major changes at European borders. Passport stamping will disappear, biometric checks will become standard, and automated entry gates will replace manual inspections. Visa-exempt travelers, including tourists and business visitors, will also need ETIAS authorization before traveling. This online approval will be quick and low cost, but travelers should apply several days before departure to avoid disruptions. For visa applicants, digital processing should mean faster decisions, electronic updates, and fewer physical visits, but also more detailed background checks. Have you applied for a Schengen visa? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.